everyone!
Welcome to Bulunmaz YouTube channel. We are with Crazy Mustafa and our faceting machine, and in the second video of this video series we gonna work with a propeller.
Crazy Mustafa.
That's our faceting machine. It's one of our latest development in Bulunmaz. It's a mechanical machine and it has a totally manual control. With a good master you can make thousands of new models. It has double heads, vertical and horizontal, and Crazy Mustafa will make you 3 rings today with the horizontal head.
Let's start! Mustafa, Mr. Bulunmaz.
Crazy Mustafa made a ring with the horizontal diamond cut head, but don't forget one thing, we have to make a cleaning on the sides with our lathe machine.
Yes!
That's our lathe machine. It's used for cleaning of sides or the surface of the rings. If you wanna know more about our lathe machine, click on the descriptions below to learn more about the machine.
Her gün başka bir gönülde, günümü gün ediyorum. Sefam olsun.
In this ring you can see a combination of faceting machine and our jewelry lathe. I used 3mm 130-degree diamond tool on the sides of my ring, and in the center I finished it with a 0.5mm convex tool. And of course I used a combination of faceting machine and our jewelry lathe in this ring. Crazy Mustafa is going to make a second ring model for you now. In this video we are using the horizontal diamond cut head of our faceting machine. We just use the standard propeller for now. But we also have other type of propellers, mini, medium, even U-shape for different ring designs. If you want to learn more about different propellers and the applications of them, click on the descriptions of this video below to watch our full presentation of faceting machine. Crazy Mustafa, we want another model from you now.
Of course, I am ready.
We again use our 3mm 130-degree Pazalux tool and combine it on our lathe machine with a 0.5mm convex tool. Of course, Crazy Mustafa used our faceting machine combining our jewelry lathe for these beautiful rings. It was another beautiful model from Crazy Mustafa. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Buradan söylemek istediğim tornamız, dış tornamız, iç tornamızda şöyle bir gösterebilir miyim Mr. Cemal? Dış tornamız ve çift kafa dediğimiz kalem makinemizde eğitim almak isteyen müşterilerimizi herkesi ofisimize bekleriz.
Last ring model from Crazy Mustafa. He is going to work with a concave tool on this ring. Don't forget, when you order our faceting machine, we have a free online training. But if you have chance to come to our showroom or factory, you are always welcome. We can give you even more detailed training free of charge. We can even send Crazy Mustafa or any other technicians in your factory. I leave you alone with Crazy Mustafa for the last model.
Are you ready? Start.
Here is another combination of our faceting machine and the jewelry lathe. Crazy Mustafa used 2.5mm concave tool here in the middle with our faceting machine. And then he made a beautiful combination with the lathe machine with our 0.5mm convex tool on the sides. He finalized that ring with 1mm concave tool on the edge. I hope you liked that video with our faceting machine and Crazy Mustafa. If you want to see more models made with our faceting machine, you can follow our Instagram account at Bulunmaz. We are continuously posting there our new models. Crazy Mustafa, what you want to say to our subscribers?
Everyone, I love you so much. Subscribe our channel and make me happy.
If you wanna make Crazy Mustafa happy and have more videos on our channel, don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you very much for watching. See you again.
And make me happy. I am everyone.
dakika dur.
Everyone, I love you.
Demek-
Everyone, I love you. Everyone, I love you so much. 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 Look. Subscribe our channel. Subscribes our channel. Subscribes our channel. Subscribes.
Subscribe.
Subscribe our channel.
In this video we are... Lan dur be ya.
Make me happy and make me happy. And make me happy. And make me happy. And make me happy. And make me happy.
Happy.
And happy. And
And make me happy.
and happy.
And
And
make me happy.
and make me happy. And
And
happy.
make me happy.
And make me happy. Happy. Happy değil miydi oğlum? And make me happy. And make me happy.
If you wanna make Crazy Mustafa happy and...
O da yapamadı.
Thank you very much for watching. See you again.
Bir daha söylesene, geç kaldım ben.